it's Carmen here with Mako again, and today we're going to go over how to mix and pour with Mako's stoneware dry crystal glazes.
To begin, you will need your bucket and your dry glaze. We are starting a new bucket using 10 pounds of dry material. We recommend using at least 10 pounds to start a new 3 or 5 gallon bucket to ensure enough depth for dipping. Next, you will want to make sure you have your water measured out. We recommend using 1 pint of water for every pound of dry material. Today we are mixing up 10 pounds of dry, so we will need 10 pints of water. And finally, you will need your preferred particle mask and mixing method. I have 5 pints in my bucket already, 4 in the pitcher and 1 additional pint here. Here we just used a clean brushing pint to measure the water. Now that we are ready to mix our glaze, we will start by adding the water. To mix up 10 pounds of dry material, we will add 10 pints of water to our bucket. Before you begin handling your dry materials, you'll want to put your particle mask on. Now we want to tumble the bag of dry to evenly distribute materials. You do not want to sieve our stoneware crystal glazes. Doing so will remove the crystals. Once the materials have been distributed, we can pour our dry mix into the bucket. To alleviate dust, put your bag low into the bucket. Saving your bag or logging the lot number can be helpful if you have any questions for our technical team. Once you have poured your dry material into the liquid, allow the material to settle and begin mixing. Here we are just using a drill with a mixer attachment. Once your glaze is completely mixed, you may remove your mask and you are ready to pour. Here is a bowl with Mako's wax resist applied to the bottom. Wax resist is super helpful when pouring crystal glazes. It makes dry footing a breeze and won't ruin your brush. Just rinse your brush in warm water to remove the wax resist. Now we are ready for our dipping tongs. We recommend pouring glaze when using our stoneware dry crystal glazes. You will need a cup or ladle to pour the glaze. Use your pouring device to mix the glaze and stir up the crystals before scooping up your glaze. Pour it evenly over the ware. Shake the piece to remove the excess glaze. Now would be a good time to use a brush to evenly distribute the crystals if necessary. Use a sponge to clean the bottom and set aside to dry. Excessive crystal loading can cause glaze runoff.
Check our label for a recommended specific gravity and viscosity range. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to technical support.